Hey, what's going on? It's Joey. Just wanted to show you what the new STEELFORCE 8-foot service body looks like and a couple of the features that make it so cool. Let's check it out. All right, we'll start with what it looks like from a closed position. You have 3 storage boxes on either side of this bed, flip top lids. There's LED box lighting in each of these tool boxes, controlled right here by the switch. Off, on. There's also in-bed lighting, off, on. So we'll look around here, we'll come around the back. We have a forklift loadable pallet rack slash ladder rack up top, heavy duty, high capacity. There's your tailgate, perforated bumper, anti-slip technology for all your work boots and such. Heavy duty tow package there. Comes standard with the spray and bed liner. There's your LED bed lighting again, as well as some tie down hooks for convenience. On this side, here's what the boxes look like, wide open. You got shelving inside, plenty of room for whatever tools you might need. Flip top lids are on both sides, LED lighting throughout. If you have any other questions or want to see anything else in specific, give me a call, shoot me a message. Happy to help. We'll talk soon.